Deep buyers are defined skeptics and analysts alike. Buying this deep on Google stock, you can see here it has had this intraday low of 149.49. In this pre-market session, it's picking up, gaining some ground up, as you can see, 2%. Yeah, it's active right now. Yeah, shares are going through, and it seems they are doing so with a certain amount of aggression. So you may have heard that Apple revealed that plans to expand its AI-powered search options in Safari, and then, according to the author of this piece, ending Google's dominance as the default search engine. Okay, yeah, it could be right. It doesn't mean that Google this is the end for Google. Yes, that dominance is okay if you like. Maybe a better choice of words might be, or rather, I would say minimizing its dominance. Yes, the move could impact the a key $20 billion revenue stream and shift ad dollars away from Google's platform. So it's I think this $20 billion is a deal that Google signed with Apple. They were supposed to pay them $20 billion or thereabout. So this was signed in 2022. Yeah, so maybe Apple may find a way to come out of that. So they are considering. It says here um, the an executive at Apple noted a drop in Safari search traffic, fueling worries about Google's dominance in search and ad revenue. Analysts warn of challenges from AI-driven rivals and a potential slowdown in Google search growth, with competition rising from OpenAI, Grok, and Perplexity. Yeah, but I don't think that bad. I don't think that it's that bad as such. Google's doing its best in the with Gemini. I think Gemini is good. The deep research is really good. Deep research is really good. I think there's nothing to worry. These are the challenges it's facing. It's been facing these challenges since OpenAI came up with ChatGPT came up with OpenAI came up with Chat GPT. So as things stand right now, this is its 4 hour chart. The market is not open now. We have extrapolations over the couple of days is to the upside. There's no guarantee that this will be the case. In terms of projections, let's see now. We don't have there's what we have our okay, we have an upper projection 155.74. Yeah, 155.74, I think. Yeah, and then every other thing is a downward projection 149.77, 146.07. But not very long ago we had these projections 180.36, 189.07, 194.2.23. They're not in play at the moment, but who knows what's going to happen in the near term. So I'm tempted to have a look at its daily chart. I think maybe they may still be relevant. Yeah, I think it will be relevant because that plunge happened during the regular session of yesterday. Yeah, so the data here is quite relevant. We have a range of projections, and okay, first of all, with the projections, it's projecting that maybe it might decline ultimately for the rest of May and into early July. There's a likelihood that it's going to pick up and even do well and pick up strength and test early April highs, or even it's probably attempt to test late March highs, late March peaks. We have here 173. So yeah, we have 169.38, a possible projection, and there's also Fibonacci projection just right there, still in play at the moment as well, but also may serve as a resistance. So it's extrapolation looking positive, looking bullish. In terms of upper projections, in terms of projections we have downward projections. What do we have? Let's get the downward projections. We have 152.61, 146.64, 0.95. Upper projections 169.77, 177.93, 182.98. So yeah, yeah. And in the very short term, it is I think the underlying trend is now bearish. And then it's now bearish, but in the very short, yeah, underlying trend is now bearish. All the moving averages in the short term are also bearish as well, apart from the 40-day moving average. So that 40-day moving average is I can't see it being printed. It doesn't come up as as a resistance, but it could be one. It could be a resistance. All the other moving averages are. Oh yeah, sorry. All of them are sloping. All of them are bearish. All the moving averages are bearish. As things stand right now. This is its daily chart. Let's see what's going on. Still holding the gain of 2%. Yeah. There's a good chance things might improve. Just have a look and see what you make of Google stock. And I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.